Hello friends, today I will make unboxing for my new fridge. So this is my old fridge, very small, tiny, not fit anything I put it inside, very small. Okay, so now I buy this one here. As you see, very big. The different you will see, you can see, very different. The difference is too much between the first one and the second one. So this is my new fridge from Hitachi. Okay, dark silver color, and the key here. Okay, and have like the fridge down and freezer up. So now I will show you the freezer. It look like this, as you see. In the door have two apartment. Okay, and here have two apartment also, and it came with the ice thingy here for cube ice and container and spatula to take out the ice. Okay, very big enough and removable, easy for wash. Okay, downside the fridge, very nice. At the door have four apartment, as you see here, for the egg, also removable, easy to wash. And here have three apartment and two boxes. Okay, and this is like booklet or information or menu for about the product itself. Okay, here's the controller, and big enough as you see, very big enough. Okay, for me better than this one. Okay, so that's for today. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, take care, bye bye.